इयत्ता 9वीच्या विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, आज आपण betweenness ही प्रॉपर्टी पाहणार आहोत. When 3 points are given and they are collinear, 3 points are collinear, they are on the same line. First example, B, G and E, 3 points are there and same 3 points B, G, E. Second diagram, B, G, E. And in the third diagram, V, G, E. That is the position. Then we can see that G point is between the other two, E point is between the other two, and V point is between the other two. So this is observation, that is betweenness. So what is the first diagram? Betweenness, all points are collinear, but G is between V and E. So what is the symbol? We can use that symbol here, V dash G dash E. That is the symbol, betweenness. In the next diagram, E is between V and D. So symbol, by using symbol V dash, and in the third diagram, V is between C and E. So we can use the symbol C dash V dash E. The property that if VG, distance between V and G, suppose it is 5 and distance between V and E, it is 12. And if the distance between V and G is 5, between Z and E is 12, we can calculate the total distance between V and E. What is the distance there between V and E? We can see that from V to G, 5, from G to U, E, 12. So it is 12 plus 5, that is 17. That is the total distance. So we are using like betweenness, and when we see that betweenness is there, there are 3 segments, VG number 1, VE number 2, and VE third segment. And we can see the equation we are getting there. What is that equation there? You can see that what is the equation there? VG, distance between V and G, plus distance between G and E, it is equal to distance VE. Distance VE. So try to understand betweenness. When 3 points are collinear, one of the points is between the remaining two. And that is the symbol there. We are getting the equation there. So same thing in the second diagram. What is the equation? We can try to write the equation. E is between V and G. So what is the equation like that? Distance VE plus distance EG. Distance EG is equal to distance VG. Distance VG. If the distance from V to G, it is 100. If the distance between V and G is 100 and distance between E and G is 30, distance is 30, we can find out, we can calculate the distance VE. On this equation, we can substitute the values properly, and total distance VG, that is 100. Sum of the two segments is 100. So out of the two, one of the length is 30. So what is the other length? 100 minus 30. 100 minus 30. So what is that answer we are getting? 70, like this. So this is about betweenness. What is required? all the points are collinear, then there is betweenness. So what about the third? B is between C and E. So what is the formula we are getting? We can use length also. What is that? Length of DE, length of DB plus length of DE is equal to length of DE. That is the equation. This is about betweenness. Let us try to solve some examples about this property, betweenness. दरम्यानता मराठीमध्ये त्याला दरम्यानता म्हणतात. तर V हा V आणि E च्या दरम्यान आहे, E हा V आणि E च्या दरम्यान आहे, V हा C आणि E च्या दरम्यान आहे. दॅट इज कॉल्ड betweenness आणि दरम्यानता. त्याचा जो प्रॉब्लेम आहे तो बघूया आपण. K dash M dash T given है. When it is given that K dash M dash T and length of KT given, length of KM given, we have to find out the third segment, length of KM segment. So this is given, K dash M dash T given. So we can start solution like this, K dash M dash T, this is given. Therefore, we can use the formula length of Km plus length of Mt is equal to length of Kt. That is the property of betweenness. Then substitute the value Kt, that is given how much? 5 root 2. Mt, it is given 2 root 2. Therefore, length of Km is equal to, we are going to calculate. So by rules of equation, length of Km is equal to, transfer this 2 root 2 to the right hand side, 5 root 2 minus 2 root 2. You know the difference. Length of Km is equal to, it will be 3 root 2. This is your final answer. Similarly, interesting second example. What is that? Collinear points are there. It is given 3 points are collinear. This much is given. So when you see that 3 points are collinear, but AD is given 18 and BC is given 7, we have to calculate the length of AC. We have to find out distance AC. So what is that about the information given? We can draw the rough diagram. If there is a line and if we consider that AB is 18, AB is 18, this is 18, AB, and BC is 7, BC is 7 given, then definitely AC, we can calculate AC. B, we are taking between the other two. So what about that AC total? AC, it is equal to 18 plus 7, that is 25. So what is the possibility there? B is between the other two. What is the next possibility there? Given AB is equal to 18. Rough diagram, AB is equal to 18. Total distance between A and B is 18 and BC is 7. If we consider C here and it is 7, so C is between A and B. We are considering C is between A and B. So we can calculate AC. What is that? AC is equal to, you know that 18 minus 7 and it is equal to 11. What is that possibility there? C is between A and B. And the first possibility we consider B is between A and C. It is that A is between, it is about possible there. You can see that third possibility is not there because two possibilities are there. After that, decide which point is between the other two. This is an interesting question for you. How to decide? 3 elements are there. Distance DE, distance EF and distance DM given. When three numbers are there, first you decide which is the greater number. To decide, you can see that what is the greatest number between three numbers? 18.5. So you add the remaining two numbers. What is that addition there? DE. Distance DE plus distance DF. What is the total there? Distance DE is 10.3 plus 8.2, and you can see the total there, 10.3 plus 8.2, it is 18.5, and it is equal to distance EF. So this is your observation. It is equal to EF. So we are getting distance BE plus distance DF is equal to distance EF. Definitely E and F 2 points are there, and between them remaining point D must be there. So what is that conclusion there? What is the answer there? Therefore E dash D dash F are their collinear. They are collinear. D is between E and F. That is our conclusion. And then example is there. Three lengths are given. So which is the greatest one? This is 8, greatest one. You add the remaining two. What is the total of ST plus RT? So distance ST plus distance RT is equal to 6 plus 4 is equal to 10. And 10 is not equal to 8. 10 is not equal to 8. It means this is 8 is nothing but RS. Distance RS. We are not getting that equation. Betweenness is not there. So we can write that they are non-collinear. In this case, point RST are non-collinear. So that is our conclusion. So what is the conclusion here? Points RST are non-collinear. RST are non-collinear. Non-collinear. This is the what is the type of example about betweenness. नवीच्या विद्यार्थ्यांनो व्हिडिओ तुम्ही YouTube वरती जाऊन बघा, लाईक करा, त्यानंतर तुम्ही चॅनल सबस्क्राईब करा.